Hi, my name is John Gawboy at Healing Connections Therapy Center. Today we're going to be practicing a skill called sensory motor awareness. And if you would like to follow along, you can use the DBT Skills Handbook, and you can follow along on page 337. That's what I'm going to be reading out of for today. So this is going to be a skill that helps us understand a little bit more about what might be happening within our bodies, where some of the clues might be. And plus, if we get really wrapped up in our minds regarding like crises in the future or bad things that may have happened in the past, this really allows us to be able to try to help reset us and ground us into the present reality. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to just find a simple chair like the one that I have here with where you can rest your back completely against it and where your legs are nice and flat. You want to get in a mindful position, hands in your lap. You can do this a couple of different ways. You can have someone read this out loud to you through like an audio recording if you want to just give a friend or a family member whose voice you find very comforting to read this, or you can just listen to this recording that we have here. So I'm going to go ahead and read out loud. I'm going to pause in between each one so you have time to really examine the area that you're looking at, and then I want you to rate what your misery and or activation is before this exercise. So do a quick body scan. And then what I would like you to do is after we're all done is to be able to rate your misery again just to see if it worked. You know, in DBT, we always rate before and afterwards just to see how effective these things are. So go ahead and get in a mindful position. Take a deep breath. We'll do it at the same time. And then go ahead and try to clear your thoughts. So find a comfortable position. I'm going to pause in between each one for about 5 seconds. All right. Can you feel the hair touching your head? Can you feel your belly rising and falling as you breathe? Can you feel the space between your eyes? Can you feel the distance between your ears? Can you feel your breath touching the back of your eyes while you inhale? Can you picture something far away? Can you notice your arms touching your body? Can you feel the bottoms of your feet? Can you imagine a beautiful day at the beach? Can you feel the bottoms of your feet? Can you notice the space within your mouth? Can you notice the position of your tongue in your mouth? Can you feel how one arm is heavier than the other? Can you feel a tingling or numbness in your hands? Can you feel how one arm is more relaxed than the other? Can you feel a change in temperature around your body? Can you feel how your left arm is warmer than the right? Can you imagine how it would feel to be loose like a rag doll? Can you notice any tightness in your left forearm? Can you imagine something very pleasant? Can you imagine what it would feel like to float along a cloud? Can you imagine what it would feel like to be floating in molasses? can you picture something far away? Can you feel a heaviness in your legs? Can you imagine floating in warm water? Can you notice your body hanging on your bones? Can you allow yourself to just drift lazily? Can you feel your face getting soft? Can you imagine a beautiful flower? Can you feel how one arm and one leg are heavier than the other? So check in with yourself again, do a body scan, see if this exercise helped you or not, and if it did, I'm glad to hear it. Otherwise, there's some other videos on this website that you can try as well. So thank you for listening. My name is John Gawboy, licensed therapist at Healing Connections, and thank you for watching and joining me today.